So guys, we have a storytelling program, and I believe each of you must have chosen a topic. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
once again, let me show you. The rest of the people can turn off their audio because there is noise. The topic is, here we go. So guys, I
Six
think this
number.
is the topic. I mean the page in which so many topics are
Yes,
there.
sir.
Yeah. So guys, whichever number you have chosen and whoever has chosen can say that they would like to start first or second or third, like
17.
17.
Sir, I
Six, six.
choose it.
Sir, 14. I have chosen.
Sir, number one.
Okay, so guys,
Number 10.
we will start with Devender first. Devender को थोड़ा जल्दी है. Devender, are you there?
Sir, 10.
Yes, yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो देवेंद्र आपने क्या चुना है?
Then I would go. I will
Sir,
speak.
6 number.
6 नंबर. ठीक है. और देवेंद्र के बाद सुनीता जी करना चाहती है. ठीक है.
Sir, I'm also.
ओके, करना तो सबको ही है गाइस. ठीक है, 6 नंबर शुरू कीजिए फिर.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट.
Sir, yesterday.
लेट मी सी द टॉपिक. आई सॉ टाइगर नियर माय हाउस. ओके, ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I saw a tiger near my house. As I saw the tiger, I feared and shocked, and I stopped. That after I asked my near all people about the tiger, and suddenly tiger went to run away. मतलब means suddenly he started running away from there, and he hid behind a grass, and that after we called to police, and police came to our colony before he injured the child, a baby child. That child took to the hospital, and all people reached to our home, and some people reached to their roof and saw the rescue operation. But he people's police searched to whole day, but they couldn't find the tiger. And whole colony people feared one day, and next day around 6 hour rescue operation continue, and finally catch the tiger.
ओके गाइस, यू हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. मैंने कहा था कि सवाल एक एक बंदे को एक एक सवाल पूछना है.
When, at what time did you see the tiger?
एक बंदा एक सवाल बस.
Have you seen tiger?
लेट द आंसर कम.
I saw the tiger at 11 o'clock.
Sir, हिंसक को क्या बोलेंगे? हिंसक.
वायलेंट.
Is there violent tiger?
Was that?
Yes.
Was that?
Have you seen ever the tiger before?
Yes.
Have you seen tiger before?
Yes, yes, I saw the tiger before, but I saw the tiger at चिड़ियाघर. क्या बोलेंगे?
स्मार्ट आंसर.
क्या बोलेंगे?
Zoo.
What you did after see tiger? What you did see?
अंकिता, you are Ankita?
Yes, sir.
What did you होगा ना?
Did you do after seeing him?
Yeah. What?
What did you
Did
do
you
after
do?
seeing the tiger?
What did you do after?
I saw the tiger. I shocked and feared. Then I asked to my near all people.
Have you seen only tiger?
यहाँ डिड लगाई.
Yes.
जितेंद्र, यहाँ
Yes.
डिड ज्यादा सूट करेगा क्योंकि स्टोरी पास्ट की.
Yes,
Did you
I
see?
saw. Yes, I only saw the tiger because it suddenly came to my near colony, because my near colony behind is a forest.
Were you alone?
Was there anyone? Was there anyone else with you when you saw the tiger?
Yes, my friend is near to me just, but first I saw the tiger by me. क्या बोलेंगे? मैंने देखा उसको देखा.
I caught. See.
फर्स्ट आई सो, पहले मैंने देखा.
First I saw.
What was your first reaction? What was your first reaction when you saw tiger?
I shocked and feared.
अच्छा इन्होंने 3 बार
Then
आंसर दे
after
दिया है. ओके
after-
ठीक है पिंटू, एक बंदा एक ही सवाल का है. पिंटू जवाब सवाल पूछो.
But
Yes, Devendra, were you at
Were
home
there
when
your
the tiger
parents too?
came?
क्या repeat क्या
Were you
बोल
at
रहे
home?
Devendra, were you at home when the tiger came near your house?
घर पर थे आप.
थे? नहीं, near to temple.
Okay.
चेतना पूछो.
After how much?
Devendra, may
After
I
how
ask?
much time did?
where were your parents?
पेरेंट्स कहाँ थे?
My parents in my house. That time my parents in my house.
Devendra, my question is how many person in rescue operation?
How many persons were there?
Sorry, how many person were there in rescue operation?
Rescue operation.
Rescue operation during around 10 to 15 people, police men.
After how much time?
Passed.
After how much time did rescue team caught the tiger?
कैच. डिड लगाया ना आपने, कैच लगे. कैच बोली, कैच तो
हाँ, catch. Sorry, catch.
After 2 days, he catch the tiger.
Did he harm anyone?
क्या बोला?
टाइगर ने किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाया?
Yes, yes. One baby girl, one baby child injured.
After seeing tiger, what did he start doing?
What did you start doing?
What do you?
भागने लगे आप या?
Yeah, first just as I saw, I shocked and then I called to my near all people.
ठीक है, बस काफी. पूरा एक झोला भर के फीडबैक है आपका देवेंद्र. ठीक है.
अरे क्या करे? वही तो करना.
जैसे मैं ऑन द स्पॉट बता देता हूँ. आपने आई शॉक्ड बोला, यहाँ पर होना चाहिए था आई गॉट शॉक्ड. कल हमने गॉट का थोड़ा सा देखा था ना. गॉट एक्साइटेड, गॉट मैरिड,
Yes sir.
गॉट
Yes
शॉक्ड.
sir.
ही
Yes,
हाइड
sir.
आपने कहा. ही हाइड का सेकंड फॉर्म हिड
हाँ.
होता है. ही हिड, वो छुप गया.
HID.
Okay.
कॉल्ड टू पुलिस. टू लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. कॉल्ड पुलिस. आई कॉल्ड पुलिस. मैंने पुलिस को फोन किया. आई कॉल्ड पुलिस. दैट चाइल्ड टुक टू द हॉस्पिटल. ऐसा लग रहा है कि बच्चा किसी को हॉस्पिटल ले गया. बच्चे को हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया. तो या तो आप पैसिव में बोले कि द चाइल्ड वाज टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल, और नहीं तो समवन टुक द चाइल्ड टू हॉस्पिटल. ऐसे करना कि कोई.
और इधर से रश.
हाँ, रश तो चलो एक अच्छा ही, वो तो बना बनाया फ्रेज है. मतलब इनका ये था ना कि अगर ये रश बोले टुक बोले, इनका था कि बच्चा द चाइल्ड टुक टू हॉस्पिटल हो गया. अजीब सा बोला इन्होंने. तो बच्चा किसी को ले गया कि बच्चे को ले जाया गया. तो बच्चे को ले जाया गया तो पैसिव होगा कि द चाइल्ड वाज टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल या रश्ड टू हॉस्पिटल. ऐसे कर सकते. अच्छा, पुलिस सर्च्ड टू होल डे. टू की जरूरत नहीं है. पुलिस सर्च्ड फॉर द टाइगर होल डे. ये हो जाता है एक्स्ट्रा.
Throughout लगेगा.
थ्रू आउट द डे लगा
Throughout
सकते.
the day.
हाँ जी. इन्होंने कहा कैच्ड द टाइगर. अब कैच का सेकेंड फॉर्म कॉट होता है, तो जुबान स्लिप हो गई आपकी. माई नियर कॉलोनी बिहाइंड अ फॉरेस्ट. ये कुछ कहना तो चाह रहे थे कि मेरे कॉलोनी के पीछे कोई जंगल है. कल हमने देयर पढ़ा था. देयर याद है? देयर.
Yes sir.
तो ये देयर से बन सकता है कि देयर इज अ फॉरेस्ट बिहाइंड माई कॉलोनी. ओके. उसके बाद है कि माई फ्रेंड नियर टू मी. मेरा दोस्त मेरे पास था. ऐसा कुछ कहना चाह रहे कि आया मेरे पास. क्या है?
मेरे पास में था मेरा फ्रेंड वहीं पे. इन्होंने पूछा था ना किसी ने कि आपके साथ आप अकेले थे या कोई और भी था, तो मैंने कहा था कि मेरे साथ एक मेरा फ्रेंड था. नहीं है
तो माई फ्रेंड वाज विद मी. विद मी, मेरे साथ था तो विद मी. वो नियर टू मी सब क्या है? नियर टू टेम्पल. नियर में कोई टू मत लगे ना. नियर द टेम्पल, एक्स्ट्रा टू आ रहा है. माई पेरेंट्स इन माई हाउस, मतलब माता पिता घर पर थे. ऐसा.
यस.
तो माई पेरेंट्स वर इन द हाउस कर दीजिए. वर तो कम से कम लगा दीजिए. ही कैच द टाइगर. अब यहाँ कॉट होता. वन बेबी चाइल्ड इंजर्ड. कोई बच्चा घायल हो गया तो गॉट
Got
इंजर्ड,
हाँ,
injured.
गॉट
Yes, sir.
इंजर्ड।
Got injured.
तो हो गया के लिए तो गोट आना ही
Got.
है कि
तो ये फीडबैक है, यानी कि हम इतनी गलत चीजें डिलीवर कर रहे हैं। अब सामने वाला
जी सर।
कोई बोलेगा नहीं ना, कोई काटता नहीं, या तो इंटरव्यू देने जाओ कॉल
नहीं,
सेंटर का
नहीं,
तो
नहीं।
काट देगा कि अच्छा गलत है, नहीं तो क्या मतलब है दूसरे को आपकी अंग्रेजी से।
क्या
हाँ,
मतलब
लेकिन
है, सही बात।
अच्छे लेवल पे चाहिए। ठीक है, तो देवेंद्र
Excuse me, sir.
या चेतना।
Sir, what is the meaning of rushed?
अच्छा, रश मतलब तेजी से लेकर भागते हैं ना, रश टू द हॉस्पिटल, ऐसे
Hospital.
बोला,
Yes.
फटाफट करना। ठीक है, चलिए सुनीता जी, यू
अच्छा
वांट टू
सर,
ट्राई?
सर
हाँ।
एक क्वेश्चन,
Yes.
सर एक क्वेश्चन,
देवेंद्र।
ये होल डे जिसे ऑपरेशन चला, ये चला के लिए इंग्लिश क्या आएगी?
वो था ना कि
Going
केप्ट
on.
ऑन गोइंग, या कंटिन्यूड कर दीजिए, द ऑपरेशन कंटिन्यूड फॉर मान लो 7 आवर्स,
अच्छा,
कंटिन्यूड होल डे, कंटिन्यू रहा, ऐसा कर दीजिए।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Or either, sir, we can use went on, like in past.
यस 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 बोल सकते हैं।
Sir, it can say it went on by throughout the day. No.
एक्चुअली वेंट ऑन लगाने के बाद भी हमें कोई एक्शन लगाना पड़ेगा ना। मतलब या तो कंटिन्यूटी
By-
बोल दो तो सही है, जैसे हम
बाई नहीं
keep-
लगाएंगे।
नहीं, कीप ऑन या वेंट ऑन लगाते हैं तो ये भी लगाना पड़ता है, जैसे कि शी वेंट ऑन क्राइंग, वो रोती रही, या शी केप्ट ऑन क्राइंग, तो फिर यहाँ बाई कैसे लगेगा? तो आप बोलो कि द प्रोसेस, द रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन कंटिन्यूड, और यहाँ फॉर लगा दो, बाई की जगह फॉर लगा दो, फॉर 5 आवर्स 6 आवर्स ऐसे। प्लीज चूज योर टॉपिक सुनीता जी।
Yes, 17, sir.
17।
A snake
Yesterday
found
I
in a
saw a
kitchen.
snake in my kitchen। ठीक है,
Yes, yes.
Sir, after Sunita ma'am, I would like to try.
ओके ओके फाइन। चलिए शुरू हो जाइए सुनीता जी, आपका फीडबैक मैं तैयार करता हूँ।
Once I was sitting on a couch. I felt like to have a tea, so I went into the kitchen and put mixed water and milk on a burner. So for sugar, I opened cupboard. I got stunned. There was a big snake sitting with coil. I wanted to aid, but I couldn't. So I fled from there and went out to my house and started aiding. My neighbors came to me, asked me. I told him everything. I brought him towards kitchen and I pointed to the snake. A few of them started suggested me to kill the snake, but one of few them told me not to kill, because once a snake took feature of killer, then he took revenge in any birth. Sir, किसी भी जन्म को क्या बोलेंगे? In any birth.
या
He took revenge in any birth. But it is merely say. Sometimes I couldn't believe, but sometimes I believe. But one of elder neighbor suggested me to call the snake catcher. I took number of him and I called her. He charged me 2,000. It is really very high, but what did I do? So I agreed with him. He told me I would be there in an hour or so. But I was afraid. Snake did not hide somewhere, but snake was still there until the snake catcher came. He came and caught the snake and put in his bag and went away. Then I took a deep breath.
सुपर, लवली सुनीता जी। However,
Thank you, sir.
little mistakes. You said I felt like to have tea. You know, चाय पीने का मन किया।
Yes.
एक्चुअली की स्ट्रक्चर है feel like, like के बाद हमें ing लगाना पड़ता है, तो I felt like having tea होना चाहिए। ये एक बना बनाया
Okay.
स्ट्रक्चर है।
Okay, sir.
स्टार्टेड फिर सजेस्टेड बोला, या तो रुक गई आप, क्या स्टार्टेड के बाद
okay.
सजेस्टेड को मिला दिया आपने, या तो होगा कि दे स्टार्टेड सजेस्टिंग मी, मुझे सजेस्ट करने लगे, या होगा कि दे सजेस्टेड मी। तो ये था, स्टार्टेड होगा तो आईएनजी लगेगा, मैं बता चुका हूं कल। ही टुक रिवेंज, अब वो किसी भी जन्म में रिवेंज ले सकता है, लेगा, तो सेकंड फॉर्म की जरूरत तो नहीं है। आप यहाँ पर कैन, मे, माइट, ये सब का इस्तेमाल कर सकती है कि द स्नेक कैन टेक रिवेंज इन एनी बर्थ। आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं। आपने टुक बोला, आई कॉल्ड हर, आपने स्नेक कैचर को फोन किया तो आपने एक बार उसको हर बोल दिया, फिर आपने उसको ही करके बात किया तो पता ही नहीं चला कि वो मेल है कि फीमेल है। फिर था कि व्हाट डिड आई डू, मैं करती भी तो क्या करती, कुछ ऐसा ही कहना चाह रही थी।
Yes, yes.
तो यहाँ पर डिड आई डू का तो ऐसा होगा कि मैंने क्या किया, अजीब हो गया। तो यहाँ पर वुड कर दीजिए ना, व्हाट वुड आई डू, मैं क्या करती।
Okay.
बस यही था, कुछ खास नहीं है। बाकी ठीक है, स्पीड सही है। जब हम आगे इसको ले जाएंगे इंटरमीडिएट से एडवांस लेवल पे तो और मजा आएगा।
But actually, while speaking, the word doesn't comes at right time.
उसके लिए 2 हफ्ते का एक प्रोग्राम कराना पड़ता है, वोकैबुलरी सेशन। उस वोकैबुलरी को जब मैं लाऊंगा तो एक एक वर्ड पे कहानियां बनती है, लोग इन्वॉल्व होकर उसी वर्ड पे काम करते हैं। तो ये थोड़ा वक्त दीजिए, मैं चालू कराऊंगा। एक बार बस ये एरर खत्म हो जाए, ये जो झोले भर भर के जो आ रहे हैं ना, ये बस खत्म हो जाए, तब हम एडवांस की तरफ जाए। सवाल गाइस, पहले सवाल इनसे पूछिए, तब धारिका बोलेंगे। एक एक सवाल तो बनता है बॉस।
When what time did you see snack?
It was noon.
Where did you sit?
I was sitting on my couch.
हाँ, इनका आंसर तो सही है। सवाल क्या पूछा, वेयर डिड यू सिट, यहाँ होना चाहिए वेयर वर यू सिटिंग, आप कहाँ बैठी हुई थी।
Okay, where was?
एक सवाल, एक सवाल सब पूछ।
Who all was there at your house at that time when incident happened?
There was no one in my house. I was only at that time.
I was alone there.
Did it hurt you?
No. He didn't try to hurt me because I fled from there.
Actually होता क्या है कि
Did you get scared?
जितने भी ये
Yes, of course.
जानवर और ये जो है ना, इनको इट कहा जाता है ग्रामर की भाषा में। लेकिन मैं देखता हूँ कि स्टोरी जैसे ये चंपक वगैरह की जो कहानियां है ना, इसमें ही भी बोल देते हैं, शी भी बोल देते हैं, तो चलता है।
Was it a big snake?
Yes, of course. I have told. It was a big snake sitting with a coil.
What were
कोई
your
भी मार के
reaction
बैठा।
after seeing snake?
Pardon?
What were your reaction after seeing snake?
What was the reaction?
There was no time to react me. At once I fled from there.
There was no time for me to react, होगा ना? आपने बोला there was no time to react me, वो me अलग एक्स्ट्रा जा रहा था। या तो बोली there was no time to react. There was no time to react. बस इतना ही।
Okay, sir.
Did snake move
Could you
when
identify?
there?
श्रुति पूछो।
No. Until the snake catcher came, he was still there.
My question is, could you identify the snake? Which type of a snake?
Yeah,
I mean
which
to
snake
say, what is the color
No,
and
The name.
it is a black color. It was a black color, but I don't know about the snake, so I couldn't clarify. So I couldn't क्या बोलेंगे, पहचान नहीं, recognize.
Recognize.
Could you sleep at night?
okay done?
No, yes, this is the interesting question. I couldn't sleep 3 or 4 days.
My God.
Actually, sir, there was a snake in my house right now. I caught every 1 year or 4th and 5th. I saw kitchen in my kitchen 4 or 5 months ago.
Are you in the
My
village?
house is very huge.
Very.
That's why I choose it.
Do you live in the village?
Yes.
Village.
No, not village, but my house is too big garden,
My God.
very big garden. And
Sunita,
आंगन को क्या बोलेंगे?
Real story.
Courtyard.
Courtyard, आंगन. Okay.
Sunita, ma'am,
Sir,
when you
is it real story?
when you saw the snake, what were you going to do?
this is real. You are asking real story.
Yeah. Yes.
I was inside a
Yeah.
kitchen and a snake was at the door. I yelled it, but my husband and my daughter came to me and scolding me. Calm down.
Started
I will took. Started scolding me.
आप वो जो
And my husband
येल्ड कहती है ना,
sit down.
येल्ड,
Yes.
तो जैसे अगर आप डर के चिल्लाती हैं तो वहां पर आप स्क्रीम ज्यादा अच्छा वर्ड रहेगा ना. आई स्क्रीम
Sir,
वो चीख
spelling.
पड़ी. वही
Sir, spelling.
SCREAMING. Screaming.
SCREAM स्क्रीम होगा.
Yes, sir.
येल होता है जब हम किसी पर चिल्लाते हैं, जैसे आई येल्ड एट पिंटू, मैंने पिंटू पर चिल्लाया,
Okay.
वो येल हो. ठीक है गाइस. धारिका, व्हिच इज योर टॉपिक?
Sir, after Dharika ma'am, I
Yes,
would
sir.
like to
I would like.
यस गाइस, एक एक करके आप कीजिए. और
So number one.
May I speak, sir?
सपोज इफ सम पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक टुडे, सो कल भी बोल सकते हैं, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. आप सवाल तो पूछ ही सकते हैं कम से कम. व्हिच टॉपिक डिड यू से, धारिका?
So number one. Yesterday while I was driving my car, I saw a girl sitting on the back seat.
धारिका की स्पीड कमाल की है. धारिका, लवली स्पीड यू हैव गॉट.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yesterday.
एक बार ना
Sorry?
धारिका का भी डिबेट करेंगे, यू नो. डिबेट प्रोग्राम में ना ऐसे स्पीड वाले
Hello?
लोगों की जरूरत होती है. आर यू एबल
Who
टू
will take part with her?
Yes.
चलो.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
या धारिका, स्टार्ट.
So shall I start, sir?
या गो अहेड.
Yesterday, my husband. So I decided to go to market for shopping, as I shirt and him surprised. So I went to the market without even informing him. I left my kids with my mother-in-law as I didn't want to take them with me. If I had taken them with me, they would have spoiled my plan by telling each and everything to their dad. So I decided to go alone by car. While I was driving my car, I heard a noise. Then I turned back. Then I saw a girl who was sitting at the back side of my car with loose hairs and big teeth. I really got scared because the moment I sat in the car, there was nobody else except me. So I kept on driving the car, and my hands and feet were cold. My whole body was shivering. After seeing that girl, I was unable to drive the car. Somehow I managed to drive the car, but at last I stopped my car and got down from the car and raised an alarm. After hearing my voice, a lot of people gathered over there. I screamed, "Ghost, ghost, ghost!" Then everybody started checking out my car. Was there anybody in my car? But they didn't find anything. One of the people called my husband as I got really scared. So my husband came there and we went back to home together.
भाई वाह, amazing, mind blowing, Dharika.
It was amazing.
There was no mistake even. Like you said, go market, so you have to say two. Like I wanted to go to market, something like this. Only two was missing. Speed, number one. Error, no error. It was absolutely up to the mark.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's why I am asking you. You should be the part of debate, part of that quarreling conversation. That is required for you.
But so the moment I tried, I'm less with words. I don't know what to say next. Like I joined today's session, morning session. So I wanted to say more things, but I was unable to. I don't know what was happening that time.
Yes, because like for that we need to practice first. Like we need to collect some words related to the topics, so that we can create so much. We will do that also. Don't worry. Fair enough, guys. Ask questions.
Dharika ma'am, when you were driving the car, where were you about to go?
I was going to market
Oh.
for shopping.
You came back. That same car.
Actually,
Yeah,
you came back by the same car.
Yeah, I came back by the same car, but with my husband, as I didn't want to come alone, as I really got scared.
At what time did you? At what time did the incident happen?
Yeah, it had happened around 1 o'clock, 1 p.m.
Have you ever
In the
How much
experienced
speed?
this kind of
नहीं नहीं, कीर्ति is asking,
incident?
in the afternoon.
कीर्ति is asking.
Have you ever experienced this kind of incident before?
Before.
No, 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 no. That was my first time when I saw that kind of ghost. I just heard about that these things exist, but I never saw these kind of ghosts and all.
At
Do
what
you
time?
believe upon
Dwarka ma'am,
ghost?
Hello.
Are you believing ghost?
Do you believe?
Do you believe in ghosts?
Do you believe in ghost?
Earlier I don't used to do this, but after
Did
seeing,
not.
I did not used to do this, but after seeing that incident, yes, I believe in ghosts.
Yeah. Hello. My question is, at what time did you realize that someone is there?
Someone was there.
Yeah, I kept after going when I was going to market, I kept on driving for few hours, for few minutes. After 15 minutes, I realized that there was something else with me in the car.
What did wear that girl?
अच्छा, what was
The
that girl wearing?
the girl was wearing a frock, white color frock.
Frock. Okay.
my question is, what was the speed of the car while you are driving?
You were driving.
Yeah, that was at 80, not more than that.
When your husband came, did he also see that girl sitting in the car?
No, there was nobody sitting in the car. Even that people, those who were standing, they also checked out my car. There was nobody there.
Did you
And Dwarka,
feel?
you
Did you?
driving?
Okay, Jitendra, पूछो.
नहीं मुझसे पूछो मुझसे.
The question was that, like, did you feel that she wanted to say something to you?
Sir, I didn't even turn back. Once I turned back to when I noticed that she was sitting at the back side, I didn't get there to look back at her. Sorry.
Okay.
Did you see
But
again and
but
again?
how did you come to know that there was a ghost inside your car? How did you?
She saw, na? First time she saw.
Sorry.
She saw. No, she was saying that.
She saw the girl sitting on the back seat.
Okay, ma'am. So, which girl had you seen? That girl, how was in looking?
ऐसे बोलो कि the girl whom you saw, ऐसे होना चाहिए सुनील. ऐसे बोलो कि how was the girl looking whom you saw, जिसको आपने देखा वो कैसी दिख रही थी?
Yeah, how was the girl looking? How was the
Whom you saw in the car?
yeah?
She was looking very horrible with open ears and long teeth.
Long teeth. My God.
That's
Dwarka,
amazing thing.
May I ask question?
Yeah, Jitendra wants to ask something. Jitendra first. Yeah.
Dwarka, when you were driving the car, what is the speed limit of that road?
That was 100. 100
Okay.
speed. Up to 100 we can drive, yeah, easily.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, I cut you a challan.
So Dharika ma'am, didn't you get hurt after seeing the ghost? Long teeth, long hair.
Repeat your question, please.
Didn't you get hurt when after seeing the ghost? Long teeth, long hair.
Yeah,
Didn't you get hurt?
Did you get afraid?
No.
Yeah, didn't you get afraid?
Yeah, I really got afraid. As I told you that I really got scared. My whole body my hands and legs were cool, and my whole body was shivering, and I was unable to drive the car. But somehow I managed, and I kept on driving.
Okay, Shadav, last question. You ask.
If the girl who is sitting the seat behind you, if she asked you to drive your car, what would you do?
What would you have done? If she had asked you that she wanted to drive car, then what would you have done? Is this?
Yes, sir.
Lovely, eh?
I didn't let her drive the car because I wouldn't have let her drive my car, as I really got scared, and I didn't want her to be the driver.
But I don't think that she would have asked about it. If she had to do, she would have just done it, you know.
Yeah, I would
Yes,
have run
sir.
from the car.
Okay.
Even I would have left my car over there.
great story.
Why you do not hire a driver?
She loves
I can
driving.
easily drive
She
car,
loves
so
driving.
I think there is there is no need of driver.
Everyone can drive easily a car, but why
But
people
I
hire
don't have a
driver?
need. I don't have need. I don't go
Shruti,
outside
This is
much.
answer.
Shruti,
Hmm.
choose a topic.
Mukesh
Shruti.
Ambani is also no.
Okay, it's okay. We will do this on debate. Okay. Shruti, choose the topic.
Sir, after Shruti, I will drive.
What is your name?
Shada Bala.
Okay, Shada. Okay. Because यहाँ से ना मैं देख नहीं
Midnight.
पाता हूँ.
At midnight, my husband felt hungry.
Lovely. Okay, Shruti. Go
And you
ahead.
made Maggie for?
I'm going to tell a story. My story name is Midnight Hunger. At midnight, my husband felt hungry and he tried to wake me up. Once I woke up and I asked him what happened. He said to me, I am hungry. I am feeling hungry. Please, I want to eat something. So reluctantly, I got up and I washed my face and I went into the kitchen and I started making poha. It is very delicious dish in Maharashtra and makes quickly. So I prefer this dish. And meanwhile, my husband sat on the dining table, and once it finished, I served it a bowl and I offered to my husband. While taking the bowl, he gave me a smile and he started eating the pohe. After that, after some times, he said to me, you can also join with me. Then I grabbed another bowl, I served it for me and I joined to my husband. It was really we were having a good time and spent very nicely. Uh, it was good experience in my life. I never forget this experience in my uh, life. Out of the blue, I heard the strange scream. So I rushed into my bedroom and I saw my son was asleep. Uh, and he was muttering and crying while sleeping. So I tried to get my son up. Then my son hugged me tightly. I asked my son, do you want to eat pohe? He said, yes. Is it morning? Or where is the sun? My son asked this type of question. I gave a smile and I said, no, it's a midnight, Arnav, and uh, there is a darkness outside. Oh, so why should we eat right now? And we had dinner last night. I said it's just fun, Arnav, and we laughed together. Your father felt hungry, so I made pohe. After that, we were eating together and we spent a lot quality time together. After that, around 4 a.m., we went to sleep.
Superb. So in Maharashtra, poha is called pohe.
Yes.
Lovely.
सर ये काम आपने गलत सिखा दिया स्टोरी टेलिंग सर. अब तो कोई किसी को बात पता नहीं हो तो कोई चीज हो ना हो वो जरूरी नहीं है सर. हाथों हाथ बात बनाई उसको.
अगर ये कला आ जाए बेहतरीन तरीके से ना गजब इंग्लिश हो जाएगी. बहुत अच्छा बोला श्रुति ने भी, बहुत अच्छा बोला. ये जो बोला कि पोहा आसानी से बन जाता है, वो मेक्स क्विकली कहा, तो इट इज मेड क्विकली ना, ये बना दिया जाता है, ये ऐसे होना चाहिए था.
सर मैं प्रेजेंट का यूज कर रही हूँ ना.
हाँ, लेकिन जैसे अपने आप कैसे बन जाएगा, तो हमें उसको पैसिव दिखाना पड़ेगा. इट इज वेरी गुड एंड इट इज मेड वेरी इजीली, इट कैन बी मेड वेरी इजीली, उसको ऐसे करना पड़ेगा.
आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. यस सर.
जैसे बाउल कहा इन्होंने, काफी लोग मैं देखता हूँ बाउल कहते हैं, बट सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन बोल होता है. BOWL बोल है, बट खूब सारे पढ़े लिखे लोग मैंने देखे वो बाउल कहते हैं. शायद सुन लेते हैं कहीं से, सुन के कहते हैं. यहाँ तक
What
कि
is the
एक
exact pronunciation, sir?
बोल BOWL, W इसमें साइलेंट है, BOWL
हाँ.
बोल, तू कुछ बोल मैं
बोल.
कुछ बोलूं, ये बोल है,
Okay,
ऐसे
बोल.
बोलेंगे। ये बाउल नहीं है, मुझे लगता है W देख के लोगों को लगता है कि थोड़ा W है तो फैला दो, बाउल कर दो।
या वो पे emphasize करते हैं वो.
हाँ, जैसे वो
Bowl.
उल्लू का आउल होता है ना, तो शायद उस हिसाब से बाउल लोगों को लगता
Yeah.
होगा।
Many time I heard bowl.
मैंने
So
भी
I
मैंने
use.
तो कुछ छोटे मोटे शेफ को भी बाउल कहते हुए सुन लिया है।
Yes, sir.
क्या करें, मेरा काम है करेक्ट सिखाना, बट यहाँ भी सब बाउल ही बोलते हैं। कोई नहीं।
Did you correct, sir, that time?
नहीं, अब क्या किसको करेक्ट करें। कई लोग बोलते हैं
Sir, reluctantly means?
बिना मर्जी के,
अनिच्छुक।
अनिच्छा से, मजबूरी में, इस तरह से। फाइन गैस। उसके बाद इन्होंने
So
बोला,
we asked a question to Mr.
एक मिनट,
Okay,
इन्होंने
okay.
कहा आई ज्वाइन टू माई हस्बैंड, तो टू की जरूरत नहीं थी, आई ज्वाइन माई हस्बैंड।
Okay.
आई नेवर फॉरगेट, यहाँ कैन लगा दीजिए, मैं भूल नहीं सकती वो पल, वो मोमेंट।
And
I
I
can-
can forget.
आई कैन नेवर। आपने कैन कुछ बोला नहीं, आपने बोला आई नेवर फॉरगेट।
I never forget बोला मैं.
तो वहाँ वो कैन चाहिए ना, कि आई कैन नेवर फॉरगेट।
I can never forget. Okay, sir.
और आपने गेट अप माई सन का, बेटे को उठाया, गेट अप
I
नहीं चाहिए।
tried to get up
आई
my
ट्राई टू
son.
वेक हिम अप, वेक माई सन अप।
Okay. मैंने खुद के लिए वेक लगाया था, बाद में मैंने गेट अप कर दिया सन के बारे में.
वेकअप और गेटअप का एक ही फर्क है, आप बिस्तर पे सोए हैं, आपकी आंखें खुल गई, ये वेकअप है। आप बिस्तर छोड़कर उठ गए, ये गेटअप है। इतना फर्क। चलिए इनके, हाँ सवाल पूछे फटाफट गाइस, फिर श्रुति के बाद क्या शादाब करना चाहते थे, शादाब, ठीक। सवाल गाइस, सवाल।
No.
क्वेश्चन गाइस, क्वेश्चन।
Do you like do this? They mostly.
Please ask one by one question. I can't understand.
सुनीता जी is asking, सुनीता जी first question.
Is your husband do this mostly?
Does your husband,
No.
सुनीता जी, does?
Achha, okay. Does your husband do this?
No, it happens sometime.
It happens, it's नहीं, it happens.
It happens sometimes.
Sometimes.
It happens sometimes.
Okay, generally how do you
Didn't
feel?
your husband
The question.
have food?
Okay, Shadab, the question arises here. Just let's assume you are lying down, your husband is just beside you, suddenly he wakes up and says, hey, come on, go to the kitchen and make something for me. So how do you feel? Just speak about that reaction of yours. Shruti, come on. Internet issue, I think.
Hello, sir. I'm here, but I did not understand any question. Receive any question.
Dharika, please convey my message to her.
Hello.
Even I was unable to hear. What did you say?
Okay,
Yeah.
I was saying that suppose you are sleeping, suddenly your husband wakes up and he says to you that go to the kitchen and make something for me. So
Yeah,
talk
that
about that
time I-
reaction. What do you feel that time? How do you talk to your husband that time?
That time I was in a deep sleep, so I don't want to do anything, but reluctantly I get up and I do. It's my duty because whenever my family member ask me to eat, so that time I want to do. I
Okay,
want
see-
to give something.
Got it? If you do reluctantly, okay. But the question is, Miss, that time do you speak out? Do you say something? Do you say कि अच्छा अभी खाना खाया तो अभी भूख लगी, दोबारा भूख? Do you speak like this? I just want to know this.
Now we had a dinner before 2-3 hours, and are you hungry right now? Is it possible?
And she speaks this in Marathi. Yes, Shruti? Lovely.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. पूछिए जितेंद्र, पूछिए, आपका ऑडियो ऑफ है जितेंद्र, ऑडियो इज ऑफ। पूछिए।
श्रुति जी, सर बस इतना कह रहे हैं कि हम सोए होते हैं और कोई हमें आके कह दे कि कुछ बनाओ तो
Yeah,
बस
yeah,
वो
I
reaction।
gave an answer.
लवली। और कोई सवाल तो पूछेगा।
Didn't your husband have food before sleeping?
Yes, yes, he had a dinner.
How
How
many
to
time he
prepare
has
poha, ma'am?
हाउ टू प्रिपेयर लंबा प्रोसेस हो जाएगा चेतना, लंबा हो जाएगा पोहा कैसे बनेगा?
Was the dinner light or you had made heavy dinner?
Light dinner. I just cooked noodles last night.
Yeah, yeah, that's why he
That's why
was
he
feeling hungry.
That's why.
Yeah.
What was the
Did your
ingredients?
Okay, ma'am.
what?
Ingredients in poha. What did you add to poha?
Onion, peanuts, and mustard. Poha also. That's it. If we want to potatoes, so we can add, but this is not a right time to add potato, so I don't want to mix it.
Didn't want to.
Rutuji, can you
I
make
didn't
poha
want to
for
mix
us
it.
also?
Hmm?
Can you make poha for us also?
Yeah, she'll send you on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Fine.
How will you be able to eat then?
Yes. Really, you have to go to Maharashtra.
My question is, when you got up from bed, so your mind is spoiled.
Your mind was
I mean
spoiled.
to say, your mind.
Yes, I got
Yeah,
became angry because I don't want to do anything at midnight. I didn't want to
नहीं
make anything.
दो चीजें हो सकती है, अगर पसंद ही नहीं
I
है
got
तो फिर तो डोंट सही है, मतलब डेली रूटीन में है, चाहती ही नहीं तो डोंट
Yes.
सही है.
And
But
Shruti,
at that moment, I didn't want.
at what time you got up to made pohe?
इनकी ये
at
अंग्रेजी गलत है, थोड़ा मैं सुधार दूं अंकिता.
At what time did you get up, so right?
हाँ, did you get up to make? इन्होंने made भी
Make.
कहा, उधर भी गलत कर दिया.
Okay. I
How
got
long-
up around 2 p.m. 2 a.m.
How long did you take the time to make the poha?
I had been spent only 15 minutes.
Had been spent गलत है.
For
I
15
spent.
minutes.
I spent.
I spent 15 minutes for make poha.
ठीक है गाइस, कौन बोलना चाहेगा? शादाब, आपको बोलना था?
Yes, sir.
Sir, after Sadab, I'll try.
What is your name?
10 number.
अंकिता?
Ankita, sir.
ठीक है, शादाब के बाद अंकिता. ठीक है, फटाफट 15 ना? Some dogs were 10. Sorry. Last night someone was knocking the door. Oh.
गोविंद भी है. Yes.
गाइस देखिए, बोलना तो सबको है, तो अब है कि 1 घंटे हमारे पास लिमिटेड टाइम है, तो आप फटाफट स्पीड निकाल कर बोलिए ताकि सबको मौका मिल जाए. और जिनका नहीं हो पाता वो कल आते ही तुरंत बोले, कल वो अपनी पहले कहानी खत्म करेंगे. बोलिए.
Short story about a snake.
Hi everyone. I am going to tell you about a story. It was a cold night. As usual, after having dinner, all my family members went to sleep. Around 11 p.m., suddenly someone knocked at the door. Most of the members of my family woke up and got scared, and no one could dare open the door. Finally, I mustered some courage, and before opening the door, I looked out window. Then I recognized that he was not a stranger, he was my one of relatives. Then just I opened the door and I took him inside. Then I helped him to wash their hand and face. After that, my mother served food before him. Then he had his dinner. After that, I made bed for him. Then he slept. And I called my relatives home. Then I was told that he has gone missing since morning and he got mentally disturbed, and said that don't let him go anywhere in the night. I said I would manage everything, and next morning after morning ablution when he realized that he was mentally comfortable, then my father let him go to his home. That's why.
वाह, शादाब, बेहतरीन. What is your qualification, शादाब?
MA in English, sir.
इंग्लिश में इन्होंने एमए किया है, और जब कोई एमए इंग्लिश वाले जो होते हैं वो अच्छे अच्छे वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं, और कीजिए, बहुत अच्छा है. मॉर्निंग एबोल्यूशन और इस तरह से अच्छे अच्छे वर्ड्स. फाइन. एक जगह गलती से ऑल माय फैमिली मेंबर निकल गया था, वो मेंबर्स होता, वो तो चलो स्लिप ऑफ टंग था. एक था डेयर ओपन द डोर. यहाँ पर डेयर ना एक्चुअली ये वर्ब वाला था, तो टू लगा सकते थे. नो वन डेयर टू ओपन द डोर, कुछ ऐसा टू लगा सकते थे. आपने टू नहीं लगाया, आपने बस हेल्प्ड को हेल्पेड कह दिया. प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत कर दी. जैसे कि कॉल्ड को कॉलेड नहीं कह सकते, कॉल्ड होता है, तो ऐसी हेल्प्ड है. बाकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. यू आर ओके शादाब, नो प्रॉब्लम.
थैंक यू सर.
अब इनसे सवाल दो चार तो कर ही लीजिए, ताकि हम फिर.
सर व्हाट डिड यू से? मॉर्निंग
एबोल्यूशन. एबोल्यूशन मतलब सुबह जो नहाते धोते हैं ना, जो सुबह की एक्टिविटी है. मैं वर्ड लिख के भेज दूंगा. एक्चुअली एबोल्यूशन ये वर्ड सब ना ये उसके लिए बना था. जैसे नमाज वगैरह अदा करते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं, वो वजू क्या बोलते हैं,
वजू. जी सर, वजू.
ये सब करने के लिए पवित्र वर्ड है वो, बट लोग आजकल ऐसे भी कह देते हैं कि सुबह नहाया धोया, एबोल्यूशन. चलिए सवाल पूछिए, कोई पूछेगा? दो चार सवाल.
डिड यू थिंक देयर वाज अ घोस्ट?
No, I don't believe any ghost.
Don't believe in ghost. And when you made a call to your relative, he said that the person was missing. He had been missing since morning.
Yes.
And the
relatives told me. So before, so I was not giving any further information about him, but when I called him, then he told me everything, because my family members already were aware about his mental illness.
So when they said that the person had been missing since morning, did you let them know that yeah, the person is at your home available right now? Did you say like this कि मेरे घर पे ही है वो, तो ऐसा बोला आपने?
Yes sir.
Okay, good one.
I told him everything about his arrival, sir.
Very good. Fine guys, अब चूंकि टाइम कम है तो अंकिता का टॉपिक उठाते हैं. सवाल में अब ज्यादा.
Sir, can I, because tomorrow I will not able, sir.
अच्छा, तो रमन फास्ट, फिर अंकिता. रमन, which
Yes,
is your topic? Which is your topic? बताइए. नंबर
Sir,
बताइए.
10, but it's totally different, sir. 10.
ठीक है, 10 ही है बट डिफरेंट है.
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
रमन चालू हो जाओ.
Last month I was sleeping at my home. That time I had to go my farmhouse because these days paddy was in growing stage. I got up around midnight, 12 o'clock. After that I started making tea. Suddenly someone was knocking the door, but that time I did not care about this. Again started knocking the door. Then I went toward the door. I opened. I saw there was a girl. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous girl. She was wearing a white suit, and she said that please give me some food. I am hungry. Then I went into the kitchen, and I took two bananas. Then I reached the door. There was nothing. I was totally shocked. I got totally shocked. After that I was going to my farmhouse. There was a canal. There were multifarious ladies were dancing. I got totally shocked, afraid. Then I reached to my farmhouse. I took a decision. I could not go to back my home. Then I went to bed on my farmhouse.
करेक्ट बोला रमन, स्टोरी बहुत करेक्ट बोली. बट गर्ल, क्लॉक, बेड, कनाल, हाउस,
डोरा।
शॉकेट।
मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा है सर आप पंजाब से हो।
Yes, yes,
My
sir.
God. Uh,
Sir, actually, my village is located on Haryana-Punjab border, sir. I am not Punjabi and not Haryanvi.
ओके, बॉर्डर पे है। बट
हाँ जी सर।
अब किसी गर्ल को अच्छा बोले कि किसी गर्ल की हम तारीफ करें कि यू आर अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो जो उसको लगेगा कि क्या यार बड़ा मजेदार है। ओके, बट कोई एरर नहीं था रमन, इट वाज ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम।
But girls should be Punjabi.
Sir,
या शुरू पंजाबी, या रमन बोलो।
sir, I am troubling to how to ask question, sir.
अच्छा, कल हम उसी पे काम करेंगे गाइज। अभी अंकिता का सुन लेते हैं। कल का जो प्रोग्राम होगा वो होगा हाउ टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस। उसके अंदर हम डिड, वाज वर और जितना हमारा डू, डज, हैव बीन, हैज बीन सबको उठा करके रखेंगे और बार बार सवाल पूछा जाएगा कल। तो सबसे पहले वो ट्राई करेंगे जो आज कुछ बोला नहीं है या उनको चांस नहीं मिला, उनसे हम शुरुआत करेंगे। अंकिता फटाफट अपनी स्टोरी बोलो। कल रमन, अच्छा कल
आइटल में स्टोरी,
हाँ ठीक है बोल सकते हैं। रमन अगर आप कल नहीं भी आओगे ना तो रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना आप वीडियो का।
Okay, sir.
Ankita, which is your topic?
Yes, sir.
Which is?
Sir, my topic is 19.
19. Last week when I saw a shadow in my bedroom at 2 o'clock, oh my god.
Yes, sir. But my story is very short actually, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Start.
Yeah. One day I was sleeping in my room. At that time, at 2 a.m. I got up to drink water, and out of blue I saw shadow, but I did not know what was that. Suddenly, lights went off and curtains were flying. I got very scared. Somehow I went to call my mother. When she came, she looked here and there, but she got no one was there. Then she consoled me and said, come with me. We will sleep together. After then, we will sleep.
We slept.
We slept.
और आफ्टर दैट करेक्ट, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं था, इट वाज ओके। ठीक है, बहुत सारे सवाल बनते हैं बट पूछ नहीं पाएंगे, टाइम कम है। ओके, कोई नहीं, कल तो सवाल पूछने का हमारा काम होगा। ठीक है जितेंद्र, विच स्टोरी, विच टॉपिक, टेल मी। First one, let me see. First is yesterday while I was driving my car, the same one. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Yesterday while I was driving my car, I saw a girl sitting on the back seat and I got shocked. I was thinking why she sit in my car. Then I asked her why you sit in my car calmly, and then she said in the evening I went to park. After then she said in the evening I went to park and some boys started abusing me and kept on abusing for some 2 hours, and then I found I am alone in the park, and she left the park and I left the park and did not know where I go. So I saw your car, and after I sit in your car, and after then I got listen to her, and after then I got sad, and we went to her house, and while we were going to her house we talked about her, and I got attracted towards her nature and behavior, and then we were reached to her house behavior, then के बाद थोड़ा सा और है सर, and we started talking जब हम जा रहे थे while going, and we started talking, and we had been talking for 2 hours, and then before she left the car she gave her number to me, and then we were reached to her house. After she went to her house, I went also to my office, and I called the girl in the late night. We were talking whole night, and then I went to sleep.
ओके, वाई शी सिट, जैसे आपने कहा कि वो क्यों बैठी, मुझे नहीं पता क्यों बैठी। वाई शी सिट, तो वाई, या तो वाई शी सैट। अगर सवाल पूछना हो कि तू क्यों बैठी तो वाई डिड यू सिट होगा। जैसे आपने बोला कि वाई यू सिट इन माई कार, तो यहाँ होना चाहिए है वाई डिड यू सिट इन माई कार।
ओके सर, ओके।
आफ्टर देन आपने कहा वो आफ्टर दैट होता। डिडंट नो वेयर टू गो, कुछ डिडंट नो वेयर आई गो था कि अरे ही हैज गॉन, आई थिंक समबडी केम। ठीक है, सुनील आप एक बोलना चाहोगे?
यस सर, बोलिए।
अच्छा जितेंद्र यू आर देयर। आपने बोला था कि डिडंट नो वेयर आई गो, लड़की को पता नहीं था कहाँ जाऊं, तो होना चाहिए था डिडंट नो वेयर, या तो टू लगा दो। जैसे लड़की कह रही कि मैंने खुद को पार्क में अकेला पाया, मुझे पता नहीं था मैं कहाँ जाऊं, आई डिडंट नो वेयर टू गो, ये हो सकता था। और वी वर रीच्ड कहा तो वी रीच्ड होगा, वर नहीं आएगा।
ओके सर, ओके।
ये मिस्टेक है। ठीक है, बस एक लास्ट सुनील का लेते हैं। सुनील आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir, but I will speak tomorrow.
Tomorrow, ठीक है। सो गाइज लेट मी टेल यू, जितने लोगों का नहीं हुआ है वो प्लीज कल सबसे पहले आप लोग बोलिएगा जिनका नहीं हुआ है, एंड टुमारो वी विल टॉक अबाउट आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस। कल हम सवाल करेंगे गाइज।
Yeah.
Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
excuse me, sir. Sir, I would like to continue with this batch for few days because I'm planning to switch with 7 a.m. batch, but once my son's school will open on 1st or maybe on 2nd, then I'll decide which batch will be more suitable for me.
Okay, fair. Stay connected. Fine guys. Okay. Thank you guys. चले.